Now let's solve this together. Okay, so we have 5 raised to x plus 4, sorry, x plus 2 equals to 4. Now remember, a exponent m plus n is the same as a raised m times a raised n. Okay, so we can write this one as 5 exponent x times 5 exponent 2 equals to 4. Okay, so 5 raised to x times, so we can write this one as 10, sorry, 5 squared 25 equals to 4. So 5 raised to x is the same as, now when you divide both sides by 25, this side will be 4 on 25. Okay, now we need to solve for x here. So we have no option but to take log on both sides. Anytime you want to bring a part down, you have to take log on both sides. So you have log 5 raised to x log 4 on 25. So when we're given log a raised to x, okay, the same as x log a. So this side will be x log 5 equals to log 4 on 25. Okay, all right, so let's observe the right hand side. Okay, now when we're given log a on b is the same as log a minus log b. Okay, so we can write the right hand side. So we have x log 5 equals to log, we have log 4 minus log 25. Okay, so we can divide both sides by log 25, so log 5 okay, so this side will cancel, my x will be, so we can write this one as log 4 on log 5 minus log 25 on log 5. Okay, so let's consider this one. Okay, so log 4 on log 5 minus, so 25 is the same as, so 5 squared is 25, so 5 squared on log 5, so x is log 4 on log 5, so minus, so remember the power rule, we have 2 log 5 on log 5. Okay, so my x will be log 4 on log 5 minus, so this one will cancel. 2. 4 on log 5 minus 2 is here. Log 4 on log 5 minus 2. Okay, so let's write the final answer. When we're given log A over log B is same as log A base B. Okay. All right. So we have x log 4 base 5 minus 2. Okay. All right. So let's verify. Right. So we have 5 raised to x plus 2. Okay. Equals to 4. All right. So we want to verify if our answer is correct. Okay. So we have 5 raised to, so let's bring x. X is log 4 to base 5 minus 2 plus 2. Okay. So let's see if we get 4 here. So this side is the same as when given x raised to n minus m plus t is the same as x raised to n times x raised to minus m times x raised to t. So this side will be 5 raised to log 4 to base 5 times 5 raised to minus 2 times 5 raised to 2. So when we're given x raised to log m base x, so x, the answer is m. Okay. All right. So this side 5, have 4 times. So this side will give us 1 on 25. This side will be 25. So this one will cancel. So 4 times 1 is 4. So we have 4 equals to 4. So hence our answer is correct.